The next note we are learning how to play is the note G. To play a G on the recorder, you will use your thumb to cover the back hole of the recorder. You will use your index finger to cover the first hole, your middle finger to cover the second hole, and your ring finger to cover the third hole. Remember, it's important that you use the pads of your fingers to cover the holes completely. Here is note G. Remember, from notes B and A, it's important to cover the holes completely, or you might get a sound like this. So that's not working correctly, so I have to make sure that I am using the pads of my fingers to cover the holes very carefully. The thumb hole and the holes for the index finger, the middle finger, and the ring finger. So it would look like this. Remember that your left hand goes on the top of the recorder and your right hand is holding gently at the bottom by the bell of the recorder. Left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. Let's play 4 quarter note G's like this. Remembering to articulate each note with the tip of your tongue in that manner. Listen to me first. You try that. Excellent. Echo after me again. Very good. Let's try a couple of half note G's. Now remember, a half note equals 2 beats. You can think ta or 1, 2. Let's try playing that together. Ready, go. Excellent. Let's take a look at what G looks like on the staff. You will notice that G is a line note. It is on the second line of the staff. Anytime you see a note on the second line of the treble clef staff, it is the note G. Now let's see if we can combine some short patterns using the notes that you know. The B, the A note, and the G note. Notice you have a note on the third line, remember that's B, followed by a note on the second space, that's A, and then a note on the second line, that's G. Let's take a look at the rhythm. We have a half note, followed by another half note, followed by another half note, and then a half rest. If we put it all together, it would sound like this. You try that. Excellent. Try it with me. Ready, go. Very good. Let's try another set of notes. Take a look. You will see quarter notes. We see a quarter note on the second line of the staff. That's G. And then a quarter note on the second space of the staff. That's A. And then a quarter note on the third line of the staff, B. And then a quarter note on the second space of the staff, A. Let's try that pattern. Listen to me first. You try that. Good. Let's try it together. Ready, go. Excellent job. At this point, you are ready to start learning the songs in the Recorder Karate Level 1. Start with Hot Cross Buns.